Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Cryptocurrency Alliance Bitcoin Breakdown series. As always, I'm your host, Dave Rodriguez, one of the head traders inside the Alliance. Those of you that are back for another show, thanks for showing up again. Just want 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes of your time to show you what's going on in our world here inside the Alliance. Those of you that are new, thanks for showing up. Just to give you guys some quick insight, what we do here, we break down Bitcoin every single day, Monday through Friday, give you guys some insights on what we think is going to happen. These are not signals. This is not financial advice. But guys, I'm hoping you guys take some of the advice that we have to do some research of your own and be able to take some trades and make money in even a bearish market, because we've been doing it week after week here inside the Alliance. Besides the Bitcoin breakdown, we'd like to go over some tricks and some trades of the technical analysis. This is all about technical analysis. We break down a little bit of fundamentals here and there, but this is mostly about technical analysis. So we'll be going over some techniques that we use, some things to look for, some patterns that we see in the market that could play out, and why we think certain things are going certain ways. Other than that, guys, we'll show you guys our live trading account. We trade live on an Alliance account. We started it with 3,000 a few weeks ago. Right now we're at 4,500. We've been as high as 4,900. But we got caught in a couple of bad trades here very recently. So without further ado, what we're going to do is get you guys over to the new, not the new, but get you guys over to the charts, get you guys started. But first, for those of you guys who wait until the very end, I want you guys to know that we got some free stuff for you guys. We got a couple of things, an ebook and a free training series for you guys to take a look at. So we'll get you guys to the charts. Just bear with us, hold 1 second, and I hope you guys enjoy what we have to show you guys. And here we are, guys. We're going to start this day on the daily chart. I want to show you guys, I expect to touch a 6K. I'll show you guys a couple of the reasons why. As you can see, we got this like triangle pattern where we've kind of found support here at the bottom in this range of, 6,000 in this range. So we found like a local bottom here where, price is kind of, finding the support, doesn't really want to break through it. And then we've got a couple interesting points here. We got this trend line going from here to this point here to this pinpoint here. And if you see, it's some confluence, guys, because this upwards trend and this downwards trend that we have for Bitcoin right now, I think we can meet right here for a couple of reasons. Like I said, this peak here at 6,000, this trend line coming up towards 6,000 will peak right here. We'll see what happens. I expect a touch of 6K on this chart here. Let's go break it down even further. Look for a breakdown to 6K to hit the trend line. If you look in, guys, you'll see it's like a downwards bearish channel, and we're staying below these MAs. If you look exactly right here, don't pay attention to anything here. If you look right here, you'll see this, this wedge form. Broke perfectly down out of it, broke back up. If you know, we've talked about this pattern right here before. I'll break it down on a smaller level real quick so you can see it better. But this is a Bart Simpson. If you notice, it looks like an upside down Bart Simpson hair. And then it comes back around here for another Bart Simpson. This is an upwards Bart Simpson. Looks like his hair. And this is an upside down one. Okay? So that was kind of breaking down. So look, either way, you had a breakout of the triangle, of the wedge, a retouch of that area, another wedge form, staying underneath the MAs, on all the charts. We'll break back down to the 4-hour. And I expect the same thing to happen. I'm not going to trade right now, guys. I'm kind of in a no-trade zone. I lost the last trade I took on Bitcoin. But you have to win, guys. If you don't trade, you don't lose, you're never going to win. So you got to take those chances. We're still up. The account's still where it should be. But as I say, I think we're going to see a downwards trend here to 6,000. And I think we'll see some bullish action. I think we're going to bounce upwards. And if we do and we start breaking these areas, that's when I'm going to start looking more bullish on Bitcoin, and I'm going to start looking back into the altcoins to see what kind of volume that we get, because without volume, there's not going to be really anything going on but a bunch of these spikes up and down like you guys see in Bitcoin Dark and Tezos and Dogecoin and all these other cryptos that are just being typically manipulated because the market's obviously unregulated. So guys, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for downwards to 6,000. Be careful. We're kind of in a no trade zone. I do think we'll see some bullish action, maybe back up here to this area where the MA is. But we'll see, guys. Quick check on what we have over here. I'll go to our balance, let you guys see where we're at before we jump off here. Right now we are in Tether. I jump back and forth between TUSD and USDT, just whatever I just feel like pushing that day. We're at 0.71 Bitcoin. Remember, we started at 0.48. We had 4,500, lost a few hundred this week. End of last week. Didn't really trade until the weekend. So we'll see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. That's really all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin breakdown. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the other stuff we had for you guys. Oh, before I forget, guys, I wanted to show you guys a quick pattern. I can't believe I forgot about this. I wanted to show you guys this pattern here. Okay, cannot believe I forgot about this. I want to show you this pattern here. Okay, look at this pattern you see here. It looks very similar to this. What do you guys think about that? This looks like what Bitcoin's doing right now. This is a triangle pattern. Okay, look what might happen if we hit again and break out. We could see a breakout as big as the first drop in right here. Okay, this is what it looks like beforehand. This is what we're looking at right now. Lower highs creating. We found a local bottom, a support area. We found this area right here, and then this happens, the breakout. You get this confirmation. You get the retouch of the area. This is the retest I always talk about. This is the place. This is not the entry. This is the entry, and you take it out. This is something that would be great on BitMEX. But the reason this wasn't a trade I was trying to set up for you guys, I'm just saying this looks an awful lot like this. And if we're following those rules there, we can expect something like this, because this is the drop in. We'll measure it something like this. I mean, we could see up. That's the drop in. So we're looking something like that. Okay, that's 11.5. So we could see breakout in here. I mean, that could be huge. So guys, we'll see what happens. But you can't deny that, this is what we're looking at right now. Might be, might not be. I always love to look at patterns. I always like to see the bigger picture. And this is on a daily chart, guys. Remind you, this is a daily chart, so this may take a little while to play out. But when it does play out, it's going to be a big move. So something to look at, guys. Like I said, but that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video and the free knowledge there at the end. If you look down low, you're going to see that like button. Please push that if you guys found some value. Please leave some comments, some things you guys might have thought about the breakdown, some questions you might have for us. There's a Bitcoin URL down there. It's bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT like YouTube. That's YT like YouTube. Click that link, guys. You get that free ebook. You also get a couple of free training series that lets you guys know a little bit about the Bitcoin market, some exchanges, where to find them, how to use them, things like that. So keep your eyes out, guys, for that link below. Go ahead and click it if you haven't done it before. Enter in your information. And take a look at what we have to offer, guys, because like I said, every day we give you guys free value. So look at the rest of it, the ebook and the training series to help you guys out. And then if you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. We'd love to interact with you guys and, maybe analyze some crypto that you like. So until tomorrow, trust that trade until it fails, you guys. I'm your boy, Crypto Coach Dave, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.